Welcome back, all you stone turtles out there. I'm Stone, and today we're going to be doing a little steak and potatoes out in the woods using Abstract's infused Meyer lemon olive oil from Queen Creek Olive Mill. Let's get started. First, we're going to dice up our potatoes, throw them in our pan, use a little bit of the olive oil and seasonings, and mix together on a medium heat. While our potatoes are cooking, it's time to pull our steak out and cover it with seasoning. Our potatoes have been cooking for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna add some sliced onions to mine. Everything's almost complete. It's time to add our meat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know in the comments below. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share with all your friends. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time, Stone Turtles.